The decision to hire employees or turn down customers is a critical one for any business owner. Both options come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages that need to be carefully considered. Let's examine the pros and cons of each approach. Firstly, let's consider the option of hiring employees. The potential benefits of hiring include increased productivity. Employees can handle multiple tasks simultaneously, freeing up time to focus on other aspects of the business. Secondly, specialization can be achieved through hiring. Employees can bring unique skills and expertise to the table, allowing a business to offer a wider range of services. Thirdly, hiring enables a business to grow and handle an increased workload, leading to scalability. Fourthly, employees can take on responsibilities, reducing burden through shared responsibility. However, there are also significant drawbacks to hiring employees. Firstly, payroll and benefits costs can be substantial. This includes salaries, health insurance, and retirement contributions. Secondly, management time is a major consideration. Time will need to be spent managing employees, including onboarding, training, and performance reviews. Thirdly, liability is a concern. As the employer, you are liable for the actions of your employees. Fourthly, even with employees, there is potential for burnout. Long hours might still be necessary to keep up with the demands of the business. Now, let's analyze the alternative of telling customers that the work cannot be done and examining the advantages and disadvantages of this option. Firstly, prioritizing mental and physical health allows maintenance of a sustainable work-life balance, preserving well-being. Secondly, ensuring that all work is completed to standards and expectations is made possible, maintaining quality. Thirdly, refusing to take on more work than can be handled prevents customer dissatisfaction and protects the business's reputation, preserving reputation. However, turning down customers also presents its own set of challenges. Firstly, turning down customers can lead to lost revenue, being a loss of potential income. Secondly, customers may be disappointed or frustrated if they are unable to get the work done, causing customer disappointment. Thirdly, some customers may perceive the refusal as a lack of commitment or flexibility, giving a negative perception. Given the potential for burnout and the previous experience managing a larger team, telling some customers that you cannot do their work may be a more feasible option. This approach allows for focus on core competencies and the maintenance of high-quality standards. It protects time and prevents burnout. It also preserves autonomy and avoids the responsibilities associated with managing employees. Consider networking with other businesses or freelancers to refer customers who require additional support. This can help maintain relationships with potential clients while ensuring that their needs are met. This decision ultimately depends on the specific circumstances, priorities, and long-term goals. Carefully weighing the pros and cons of each option will help to make the best decision for the business and personal well-being.